We are not back to normal. We should not try to get back to normal. We should find a new normal until we can get to a place where we have a vaccine. We're not going to be in a state of normalcy until the spring at the earliest. And that's kind of optimistic. We need to find a way that we can live with this thing. It's simple stuff. 6 feet, a mask in small groups. Live your life that way. When you go to the store, wear your mask, stay away from folks, get your groceries. So new normal, if we can find a new normal that's safer, it'll save lives and it also help our economy.
We're going to have a new normal, but I'm very hopeful that things will go back to the new normal where we don't have to wear the mask and we can hug our kids and, and they can play sports.
I think we're going to have a new normal. And this, I think, Zoom thing is part of the new normal. If this is the new law that we have to follow, this is what we'll be doing, and we'll be doing it with our smile on our face, although you can't see us smiling.
It's the new norm. We can't act like everything's going to go back to the way it was before. We just can't. Things have changed. And I hate to be cheesy saying this, but we do have to kind of accept it and work with what we have now.
I hope it will be over one day, or at least maintainable, I guess. I would like for everybody to have the option to do what they want to do without the fear of, where have you been? Have you been exposed? Have you been tested? I just want everybody to be able to get back to happy, get back to being able to love each other.
Because of this happened like this, and to all of us, I think somewhere down the line, there are going to be some better men and women out of the situation. We're going to learn some things. At least we'll learn what not to do, because that's what I always strive in my life. I try to strive on the things I cannot do, because the things I can do will take care of some. And I got hope, man.
None of us knows if we'll go back to normal, but I've lived a life over 6 decades, and I know that the one thing that's inevitable is change. What we want to focus on is making a positive change. I think we've learned a lot of lessons during this pandemic, through shutdown, being in our homes, curbing our lifestyles. And one thing I think we will do is appreciate whatever state of normalcy we'll get when this is all done. Many people have lived a life that's very safe and perhaps routine, or controlled, with quotes around it. But truly, we're playing without any rules here. We have no idea where this is going to go. So the more I just look to being appreciative of what I do have, and the opportunities I still have, and the health that I still have, and the loved ones I have that are still in my life. And that gives me hope to keep going through. That it's going to get better. It's going to get better. Hang in there.